Alright guys, today we got this Jeep Compass here and we got this key fob here and the battery's low. Customer went to the dealer and they wanted $400. They was pretty much gonna sell her new battery, a new controller. So if you start this vehicle up, doors open, but you'll get a signal here, key fob, battery low. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna shut this off. We're gonna go inside with this. We're gonna take this apart and we're gonna change the battery on this, and you could get a battery for like 10 bucks. Okay, so we got this CR32 battery here. That's what this vehicle controller takes. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this battery ready. And what we're gonna do is, so there's a new battery. We're gonna push on this, pull this key out. So if you ever need to get that key out, that's how you take it out. This little slide, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. You just put this in there and you splice this open very gently. And just take it easy, nothing falls out. And if you want, just go all around with the screwdriver. And once you know, open it up, there's your battery. So make sure you put it the same direction, okay? So you got this positive, which is gonna be facing down. You take the new battery, same thing. They have a little bit of paste there. That's good for electronics. Usually you can pick that up, but it's not necessary because you already got a little chunk on that. You take this guy, you stick it back in. Try not to push on the buttons, just try to get edges, and this thing will squeeze back like a sandwich. And usually they click, but this one did not click, so it looks good. And take your key back, stick it back in, and it should click just like that. And you're all done. We're gonna go back to the car now. Okay, so we're gonna take this guy back to the car. The indication should go off on its own. You should not have to do anything, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna crank up the car. That's it. Bada bing, bada boom. $10, probably less than that. You can pick this battery up from Staples, order on Amazon. CR32 is the number, and that's how simple the job is. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one.